Good day everyone, welcome to App Mentor, your go-to source for the latest reviews and tutorials on tech and business solutions. In today's video, we're comparing two of the most popular payroll platforms, Workday and ADP. Whether you're running a small business or managing a large enterprise, choosing the right payroll solution is crucial for smooth operations. Stick around to find out which one suits your needs the best. First of all, let's start by breaking down what these two platforms offer, starting with Workday. It is a cloud-based platform known for its HR, finance, and payroll solutions. It's designed for large enterprises that need everything in one place: HR, talent management, time tracking, and payroll. With Workday, you're looking at a powerful tool that integrates deeply with your company's overall operations, but also means it's on more complex side. Now, ADP is a bit different. It has been around forever, and it's one of the most trusted names in payroll. They offer a range of packages from small business all the way up to large corporations. What sets ADP apart is its strong focus on payroll and compliance, and they handle a lot of the tricky parts like taxes and benefits management. They're basically the to-go for companies who want to ensure they're staying compliant without a lot of hassle. Okay, so let's get into the key features and how each platform handles payroll, starting with Workday. Workday offers flexible payroll processing, especially when you integrate it with its HR and finance tools. You can manage everything from time tracking to employee compensation all in one system. This level of integration is great if you need all-in-one solution, but the setup can take a while. On the other hand, ADP is incredibly easy to set up and use, especially for businesses that are focused solely on payroll. ADP automatically calculates your payroll taxes and handles deductions, making it a perfect choice for small to medium-sized businesses. And if your company operates across multiple states or even globally, ADP has you covered with their robust tax compliance features. Now let's talk about the user experience. A system can have all the features in the world, but if it's hard to use, it's a no-go, right? Workday has a modern interface that's sleek and responsive. It's designed to be mobile-friendly, so you can approve time or process payroll from your phone. However, because it offers so many features, the learning curve can be steep. ADP, on the other hand, is designed for simplicity. The interface is straightforward, and even if you're not a payroll expert, you can get up and running quickly. Their mobile app is great for handling basic payroll tasks on the go. Overall, ADP is an easier choice to navigate, but Workday gives you more flexibility if you're willing to dig into the customization options. Alright, now regarding to the support. With Workday, support is typically handled through international IT or HR teams. That's great with large enterprises with dedicated resources, but smaller businesses might find it lacking in direct support options. You'll likely need to invest time in training your team to get the most out of the system. ADP is known for its stellar customer support. They offer 24/7 help through phone and email, and they have an extensive library of resources for training. If you need hand-holding through the process, ADP's support is a clear winner. Now let's talk about the pricing. Workday doesn't have standard pricing, and it's usually based on the size of your business and what features you need. It's definitely more expensive, especially if you're using their full suite of tools. But for large organizations that need the integration, it can be worth the investment. ADP, on the other hand, has more flexible pricing options. They offer tiered packages depending on the size of your business. If you're a small business, ADP is more affordable, and you can scale up as your business grows. So, which platform is better for you? Well, if you're a large enterprise that needs a highly customizable payroll solution with deep HR and finance integration, then Workday might be the right fit. But if you're a small or mid-sized business looking for ease of use, strong customer support, and a focus on payroll and compliance, ADP could be your best bet. Both platforms have their strengths, so it really comes down to your business size, budget, and how much customization you need. That's it for today's comparison, guys. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you want to see more tech reviews and business solutions, let us know in the comments below which payroll platform you're leaning toward, and feel free to check the description for more details and links to both platforms. Thank you for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video.